Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot into recovery mode on HP Compaq 250. To boot into recovery mode, go to the settings. Now go to Windows Update and scroll down until you find the advanced options. Now you should see recovery, and now click on advanced startup. So click on restart now, and now your laptop will restart into recovery mode. And now I'm in the recovery mode, so I can, for example, troubleshoot or do anything else. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.